Today we are discussing 7th class CBSE chemistry chapter, acid, bases and salts. Generally what we say, why is lemon so sour? Why is soap so bitter? Why is salt is like that? What it is called? These all doubts of us will be clarified in this chapter, in this video. Let's go into the chapter. Now here is the definition of acids. What are acids? Ionic compounds that produce hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. What are ionic compounds? Compounds that contain positive and negative ions. Example, hydrogen chloride separates into two hydrogen ions, and negative chloride ions when dissolved in the water creates hydrochloric acid, that is HCl in the presence of H2O forms H plus Cl minus. So what is meant by base? A base is a chemical species that denotes electrons and hydroxyl ions or that accepts protons. A soluble base is referred to an alkali if it contains and releases hydroxide ions OH minus. Example are sodium hydroxide and ammonia, which is NaH3. Metal oxides and hydroxides are basic. Now next we are moving to the acid base properties. Acid properties and base properties when dissolved in waters. Acid properties are conduct electricity, change blue litmus to red, have sour taste, react with bases to neutralize their properties, react with active metals to liberate hydrogen. And base properties are conduct electricity, change litmus red to blue, have slippery feelings, react with acids to neutralize their properties. So these are the properties. I prefer to note these points who are needed and who are learning this topic still. Next we'll move on to the next topic. Common properties and characters. Acids, suppose we take vinegar, sour or tart taste, reacts with metals to produce gases. Bases, soap, bitter taste, will not react with metal, feels slippery, turns indicator pepper blue, OH ending. Now, this, what you know? This is a litmus paper testing. You can observe in the first case, it's an acid, so that the blue litmus paper turns to red, and in the second case, it's a base, so that the red litmus paper turns to blue. So these are the difference between acids and bases. This is known as indicator, which we are using in this example are litmus paper. You can buy this and try out this. Next, these are the pH values of each daily use substances we use. Adult fish, fish reproduction affected, normal range precipitation, normal range of stream, milk, vinegar, lemon juice, battery acid, baking soda, seawater, milk of magnesia, ammonia, lye. So increasing acidity, neutral alkalinity, neutral and increasing alkalinity. These three are the acidity, neutrality and alkalinity. That means acid, neutral and base. Now you can see the pH indicator. The indicator paper when it is neutral turns into green. When it is acid turns into red. When it is base turns into blue. So these are the pH indicators we can see. Now we can see some substances and acids. Orange and lemon, citric acid and ascorbic acid. Apple, malic acid. Tamarind, tartaric acid, and grape also tartaric acid, vinegar, acetic acid, curd, lactic acid, tomato, oxalic acid, gastric juice, hydrochloric acid, tea, tannic acid, red ants, formic acid. These are the acids and these are the substances in which the acids are found. Now, okay, let me give you a clear view on this. You can note these points for your better beneficiaries. And these are the indicators which we discussed before. Only the litmus solution. Nature is purple. In acid it is red. In base it is blue. Now the turmeric solution. Nature is yellow. In acid it is yellow. In base it is deep red. And beetroot juice. Purple, yellow. Red cabbage juice. Purple, pink, red. China rose solutions. Red, magneta and green. So these are the natural indicators and their nature in acid and in base. So you can see by this that the solution is whether acid and base. Please try out these. And next, finally, common bases in home. What are these common bases? For suppose we take an oven clear, it's sodium hydroxide, a base contained in the product. For suppose we take baking soda, it's sodium hydrocarbonate. For suppose we take washing soda, the sodium carbonate, and glass cleaner, ammonia. You can see the pictures of these objects in the pictures lying here. So with this you could understand that the cleaners are mainly made up of bases. So any cleaner is used against any acid. Please try out these at home. But it's a caution. Be careful. Do not try without elders' restriction. Next, we'll move to the another slide. So the next I conclude that these are the acid, bases and salts chapter. So you could see this acid plus base equal to neutralization. The neutralization reaction. You can see here the neutralization reaction. Acid reacts with base to form water plus salt. This is known as neutralization reaction. That is, HCl is an acid, NaOH is a base to form salt plus water, which is common salt NaCl plus H2O, and HNO3 is an acid and NaOH is a base, H2O plus NaNO3. So this is neutralization reaction. I could show you one more example of neutralization. HCl plus NaOH equal to H2O plus NaCl. Acid plus base equal to hydrogen oxide plus, that is, water, simply known as water plus salt. So with this, the neutralization end. I would conclude by saying that the neutralization in the reaction is going place by an acid plus base gives rise to water plus salt. So with this, I conclude my video that if this information and this video is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you.